This is the lock-picking Apache pilot, and what I have for you here today is a master lock number 3. You can tell that by the bottom, has a number 3 on it. These are very common locks, laminated pieces of steel with a case-hardened shackle. Very common and very easy to pick with some basic picking tools. For my tool I'm going to use, I found this tool on Amazon. It was only $14, very cheap. It's made okay. Metal feels good. Very basic tools, but they're strong, and I've been working this quite a while, and nothing's really gotten bent on me or been ruined here yet. So for $14, well worth the value, especially if you're just learning. So it comes with all these different tools. There's 6 different ones. I'm going to use the Rake in this example. This requires 0 skill. All you need to do is put the Rake into the keyway and start to move it around, and then suddenly the lock will pop open. So I'm going to show you how you do that. Put the tension bar into the lock, put a little bit of pressure, but I'm going to start by putting the Rake all the way down into the lock. Then I'm just going to move the Rake around a little bit. And there we have it. The lock opens. So like I said, this is a 0 skill activity. You're putting the Rake in and you're just gently moving it around and putting light pressure into the keyway with your tensioning rod. And that's it. So like I said, very easy to get into this hobby of lock picking. This is just a $14 tool here, but I feel like it really works great for what I'm trying to do. You can find it on Amazon, and I'll put that link in the video description. And so if this video helped you learn more about how to use a Rake on opening one of these master locks, then please give it a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it as well. And as always, have a great day.